Board's made up of 6 board of directors. It takes quite a few years as a committee chair to get on the board, and then once you're on the board, you spend at least 20 hours a week year-round. We do have a natural progression. Once you're put on the board, you become the secretary, and then assistant treasurer, then treasurer, and then you're vice president, and then you're president-elect, and then president. So once you come on the board as the secretary, you're committed to 6 years, not only as a volunteer, but also as a sponsor. We have a commitment that's required of all the officers to be a certain level of sponsor. And so you're committing that sponsorship and the time. When I started with the festival somewhere around 10 years ago, we had basically 1 full-time staffer, which was a relatively new process. We had an office, which was relatively new, and a couple of part-timers. You know, today we have an executive director, we have a finance officer, we have a festival coordinator, 3 full-time employees. We just expanded our office, so we have twice as much square footage. It's hard to remember that we are a multi-million-dollar company, but we're still a volunteer organization. Most of the work is done by volunteers, and we want to make sure that we take care of those volunteers because they are the lifeblood of the festival. But, you know, recently we've put together a new volunteer program where we have a nice little booklet. We have meetings where if you're interested, you can go to the office and sign up, or you can go online and send an email and tell that you're interested. And generally our first question is, what are you interested in? Because we've identified that people do better if they're working on a committee that they're interested in. We have sort of volunteer liaisons that will help place the person in the right place. And people get tired over a number of years. It's interesting. We have a volunteer that's got over 50 years experience volunteering with the festival. And she's moved into a phenomenal position now where she's actually on the boards. You know, most people think about the street fair and the parade, maybe the concerts and the garden party and some of the bigger events, you know, maybe the pre-fest party, but they forget about the little committees. You know, every event that we have has to have a committee chair. For example, our celebrity reception has 2 committee chairs, and they spend a better part of the year making sure that that party is what it is supposed to be. And you know, we have Azalea Pride, which is our cleanup, which happens about a week before the festival. You know, there are a lot of other smaller committees, which if you think about them, you remember those events occurred, but you didn't realize there was a committee chair and a co-chair and then volunteers. You know, if you look at the parade, you'd think, okay, there's a parade chair, but you don't realize that there are 4 or 5 co-chairs that work throughout the year, many hours. You've got someone who does the bleachers, someone who does the parade breakfast for the dignitaries, someone taking care of the reviewing stand. Then you have to have concessions and someone making sure that all the concessionaires are there, ready, prepared. And then that doesn't even include the marshals. So you've got a lot of volunteers that are making sure that the right floats and the right entries are in the right place going down the road. But then you also have to have a parade marshal standing every so many feet to make sure that along the parade route that everything goes well. And so, you know, same thing with the street fair, same thing with concerts, you know, the ushers and people checking tickets and selling, you know, beverages and t-shirts and, you know, people that just show up to help set up the stage and put the portalettes in place. There's a lot of volunteers. UNCW helped us a few years back in doing a study and actually went through and quantitatively identified how many volunteers we have, and the number was around 1,400.